Hey everybody, welcome back to Maverick 2. In today's video, we're going to be switching out a sprocket on a 2023 Husqvarna FE501S. This is the street legal version, everybody. This is like the cream of the crop, top of the line. It's a little bit, because it's more expensive than the KTM 500 street legal version, EXCF here in North America. This bike is literally the best all-around that I've found in all my years of riding. It does everything from single track to just going out on the road and going for a cruise. But one of the things that I wanted to change on it was the sprocket, drop it down one more thing, maybe 1-2T, something like that, so we can get out there on the single track. Might make it a little easier in some of the real technical stuff. As you know, a 4-stroke and a 2-stroke, two totally different bikes. These stall a lot easier. So let's switch this one out, which is already an aftermarket one. So right now what's on there is the 48 tooth sprocket in the back. I decided to jump it up to a 50. So let's see what's involved with that. I know it's not too difficult. It's just time consuming, because after you change this, you know, you're gonna have to change the sprockets. Plus you gotta change the chain, get everything adjusted right. So definitely time consuming, but it's not too bad. We said we've done a bunch of these before, so let's get at it and see what happens. So what we're going to be installing is the Super Sprox Husqvarna motorcycle. Right here it is, the technical accessories. 2K rear sprocket 50 tooth. So this is a factory part, which in partnership with Super Sprox. I love the design. So let's see where this goes. So after you throw your bike on the stand, you're going to need a 27 millimeter, and you're going to want to loosen that back nut here for the axle. Once this is loose, release the tension on here. Now we got to loosen up these two for the chain adjuster. For the chain adjuster, you're going to be using a 10 millimeter and a 13. 13 is for the back, 10 is for the front, or vice versa. Let me get that loose here. I'm going to spin that back a little bit because we need to be able to get the chain off here. Using the same bolts as before, and we'll tighten them up. So there's the torque for the sprocket, 35 or 25.8 foot-pounds. So something that is a rule of thumb for anybody who knows this, you can see the dirt all over the axle here. You don't want that. You definitely need to clean this thing off and then reapply some more grease. It's very dirty from being all the riding, and if you're already having grease, the dirt just sticks to it. So take some time, clean it up, get it ready. Get your chain on it to slide it forward as far as you can. See, like this is bigger here, so I'm going to need to bring these in for the adjusters far enough to get the chain back on the new sprocket. So we are all done. Had to modify chain a little bit here with the adjustments to get it right.